Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change haptic type duration and what is it on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on all the iPhones. So what you want to do is to go to the settings, then you want to go to the accessibility, then you want to go to the touch, and once you're here, go to the haptic touch. And here you can choose between the touch duration, the fast, default and slow. And what it does, if you press and hold to open the image, for example, the default one is, like the middle one, touch duration, how much milliseconds or seconds you need to hold the touch to open the image. And also if you change to fast, it is going to, as you can see, maybe happen a little bit quicker. And if you select slow, it is going to take more time to touch and hold to open the image or anything on the iPhone. So here you can choose between those three, and the touch duration test, as you can see, is below. So choose the right that is for you. I'm gonna leave it at default. And once again, how to get to those settings. So open settings, then go to the accessibility, then go to the touch, and then go to the haptic touch. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!